First, click on Flash Broadcast. Then, go to Select Contact. You can either manually type the contact numbers or you can upload your contact list using the Upload option. You can upload 3 types of files: CSV files, Excel files, text files. If you want, you can click on Select and choose contacts from your saved contact list. Or you can go to Group Contact and select the contacts available in your WhatsApp groups. You can also select contacts from Tap Contacts Kanban board level contacts. In this tool, you can send not only text messages, but also images, videos, documents, audio files, contacts, buttons, polls, product lists. Now go to the Sending Delay option. Set the minimum delay to 10 seconds and the maximum delay to 20 seconds. This step is mandatory to avoid WhatsApp tracking and blocking issues. After that, click on Preview Start, then click Next, and finally, click Start Sending. Next, click on the Smart Label option. Here, you can create labels to organize your contacts. To create a new label, click on the Add Label tab. Enter the label name and label details. Then, select the contacts you want to add to this label. After selecting, click Save. Once saved, you will see your newly created label displayed at the top. With this feature, you can categorize and save your contacts based on their interests for better targeting and follow-ups. Next, click on the Message Templates option. Here, you can create your own message templates for quick sending. Click on Add Template. Give a template name. Then, select the recipient type, choose whom you want to send the message to. You can also use personalized values, 1, 2, or 3 to make the message more dynamic. In the template type, choose the type of message you want to create. Write your message and then click Save. When you want to use this template, go to Flash Broadcast, click on Select Template, choose your saved template, and click Save. Before sending, make sure to set the minimum delay to 10 seconds and maximum delay to 20 seconds in the Sending Delay option. This is mandatory to avoid issues with WhatsApp tracking. Finally, start sending your messages. Next, click on the AI Chatbot option. Here you can set up your workflow to automate your replies. Click on Add Workflow. Give your workflow name. Then select whether this workflow is for groups or one-by-one chats. After selecting, enter your trigger key. This is the keyword that will activate the auto-reply. Next, enter your special word, optional, and choose your required options from the available settings. Now, from the 3 available action options, select any one based on what you need. After that, type your auto-reply message. In the Sending Delay option, set the minimum seconds to 10 seconds and maximum seconds to 20 seconds. This is mandatory to avoid issues with WhatsApp tracking. Finally, click Save to finish your workflow setup. Next, click on the Schedule Message option. Then, click on Add Schedule Broadcast. Give your schedule broadcast name. You will see several options here. You can enable or disable them based on your requirements. Enter the phone numbers where you want to send the message. Click Next. Now, type your message in the message section. Set the sending delay. Minimum seconds, 10 seconds, maximum seconds, 20 seconds. This is mandatory to avoid WhatsApp tracking issues. Next, go to the Schedule option and set your desired time and date. Click Next. Finally, check the option Hold on, Need your confirmation, and then click Save and Schedule to complete the process. Next, click on Future Notification. Then click on Add. Here you will see 2 options at the top, Once and Repeated. First, click on Once. After that, select the phone number to which you want to send the message. Then, type your message. Set the time when you want to send this message. Finally, click Save. If you want to choose the Repeated option, select the schedule time for repeating the message. Then, select how often you want the message to repeat, the time interval. You can also choose the number of times you want the message to repeat. Alternatively, you can repeat the message based on specific dates by selecting the desired dates. After selecting everything, click Save. Next, click on Quick Notes. Then, click on Add Quick Reply. Here, enter the quick reply name. After that, type your message. In the sending delay option, set the minimum seconds to 10 seconds and the maximum seconds to 20 seconds. This step is mandatory. Finally, click Save. Next, click on Smart Reminders. Here, you will see a few tabs. You can also add more tabs by clicking on Add Board. A new tab will be automatically created. You can change the tab title to your preferred name. After updating the name, click OK to save the new name. In the inbox, you will see many numbers, which are your leads. You can organize these leads as per your convenience. If a lead is completed, you can move it to the Done tab. If a lead is in process, you can move it to the Processing tab. Or if any lead needs to be added to your to-do list, you can keep it in the To-Do tab. This way, you can easily track and decide which action needs to be taken for each lead. Next, click on the Advanced Tools option. Here, you will see 4 options. You can blur your profiles, blur the profile display pictures, DP, or you can blur the conversations you have with a particular profile. For example, if you chat with a specific profile, the conversation will appear blurred. Also, from here, you can generate WhatsApp links directly. If you want to purchase this WhatsApp marketing tool, feel free to call or WhatsApp at 629-610-6230.